Mary Mitzi Mitch Limit Cajayon-Uy, born May 6, 1978, is a Filipino politician who served as the representative from the 2nd District of Caloocan in the House of Representatives of the Philippines from 2007 to 2013 and from 2022 to 2025. She also served as the executive director of the Council for the Welfare of Children, an attached agency of the Department of Social Welfare and Development from 2017 to 2021, and had served as a city councilor of Caloocan from 2004 to 2007. Prior to joining politics, Cajayon was named as Miss Caloocan in 2000. She was elected as City Councilor of Caloocan in 2004, as representative of the 2nd District of Caloocan in 2007, and was re-elected to Congress in 2010. She was appointed the Executive Director of the Council for the Welfare of Children, an attached agency of the Department of Social Welfare and Development, having been appointed to the post by President Rodrigo Duterte in July 2017. She resigned from the position to run once again for representative at the 2nd District of Caloocan in 2022. She later won the race. On November 12, 2021, she was acquitted by Sandigan Bayan of graft and malversation charges in relation to the alleged misuse of Philippine peso 10 million in Priority Development Assistance Fund for supposed ghost projects in 2009. In 2025, she lost re-election to her seat in the House of Representatives. Cajayon won as representative of Caloocan's 2nd District in 2007, defeating re-electionist Representative Edgar Aris, Nilo Divina, and one other candidate. In 2009, she was given the award for Congressional Legislative and Service Excellence by the Consumers League of the Philippines Foundation, Inc. She won a 2nd term as Congresswoman in 2010, defeating Antonio M. Almeida, Carlos Cabachan, Councilor Rosemary Cothaw, and for other candidates. By 2013, however, she lost her re-election to Aris. 11. In July 2017, President Rodrigo Duterte appointed Cajayon-Uy as Executive Director of the Department of Social Welfare and Development's DSWD Council for the Welfare of Children. In September 2021, she joined the PDP-Laban party of President Duterte days before the filing of certificates of candidacy in the 2022 election. Cajayon-Uy ultimately won a 3rd term as Congresswoman of Caloocan's 2nd District, receiving more votes than Roberto Sampson, Luis Macario Maca Sistio, and to others. In November 2023, Cajayon-Uy left PDP-Laban to join the Lakas CMD party. In February 2025, Cajayon-Uy was among the 95 Lakas CMD members who voted to impeach Vice President Sara Duterte. Cajayon-Uy ran for re-election in 2025, but lost to Edgar Aris once again. Former Department of Public Works and Highways DPWH engineers Henry Alcantara and Bryce Hernandez have separately mentioned former Caloocan 2nd District Representative Mitch Cajayon-Uy as an alleged recipient of kickbacks from flood control projects in Caloocan. Cajayon-Uy has denied Hernandez's statements during the Senate committee hearing on September 19th that she received some $16.5 million as payoffs from flood control projects from 2022 to 2023. She pointed out that she is a former congresswoman of Caloocan and not Bulacan. All projects in Caloocan's 2nd District during her return to the congressional seat from 2022 to 2025, Cajayon-Uy said, are on public record and may be examined by whoever wishes to do so. Her name was mentioned again in the Senate hearing on Tuesday, September 23rd, by Hernandez's erstwhile boss, Alcantara, as a recipient of flood control project commissions, along with Senators Jinggoy Estrada, Joel Villanueva, former Senator Bong Revilla Jr., and Ako Bicol Representative Zoldico. Pork barrel controversy. In July 2018, Cajayon-Uy was charged with graft and malversation over the alleged misuse of $10 million from her pork barrel or Priority Development Assistance Fund PDAF in 2009. The charges stemmed from $3 million and $7 million funds that were allegedly found to have been released for non-existent or ghost projects under the Comprehensive Integrated Delivery of Social Services (CIDSS) program with Caloocan Assistance Council Inc. (KACI). Cajayon-Uy was appointed as the person responsible for recommending Kachi as the project partner. The Ombudsman found probable cause to indict Cajayon-Uy, former Department of Social Welfare and Development DSWD Secretary Esperanza Cabral, other officials of the agency, and the Kachi president. She was acquitted by the Sandigan Bayan 2nd Division in 2021 due to lack of evidence proving her guilt beyond reasonable doubt. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.